FTX is an excellent choice of crypto exchange for both newcomers to crypto as well as experienced traders for its low fees and a wide range of derivative and leverage trades. If you haven't watched our video about how to earn the sign-up bonus on this exchange, check out the links below. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step instruction on how you can withdraw and deposit on this exchange. Let's go! So the first thing that you need to do is to go to ftx.com and then log into your FTX account. If you haven't had an account, you can watch our tutorial video on how to sign up and verify yourself on FTX to be able to deposit fiat currency. And with our referral code, you can earn 5% off our trading fees on FTX. Now, in order for you to deposit or withdraw on FTX, you will have to complete your identity verification level 2. So as you can see here, I'm at level 2 KYC now, so I don't need to do that anymore. And if you haven't been to level 2, then again you can refer back to our tutorial video. So let's start depositing now. From the home page of FTX, just go to Wallet and then click on Portfolio here. And as you can see on my screen, there are a lot of fiat currency and crypto that you can choose to deposit and withdraw. You can filter this list if you want to narrow down your options. So for example, you can click on crypto here if you want to have a list of only cryptocurrency. And if you want only fiat, then you just click on fiat. Now since we already had a list of only fiat currency like this, I will show you how to deposit fiat on FTX. So as you can see here, there are a lot of fiat options that you can choose. So we have US dollar, euro, British pound, Australian dollar, Hong Kong dollar, and so on. So all you need to do is to choose the fiat that you want to deposit and then click on deposit button here. And for each type of fiat, you can see there is different interface. So for example, USD can be deposited by many methods like this. Euro can be deposited by wire banking. And then you have Hong Kong dollar is also different. However, the most common way to deposit fiat is either by card or by wire banking. So for example, if I want to deposit USD, I will click here. And then you can see here that USD can be deposited by sending USD stablecoins like TUSD, USDC, USDP, BUSD, and HUSD. And you can also choose to send Tether or USDT. And of course, you can also use credit or debit card or wire banking to deposit USD directly. So I will show you how to deposit fiat by sending USD directly from your bank account. So first, let's start with card. Here I just click on deposit via card. And as you can see on the screen here, the maximum card deposit is $2,000. So if you want to deposit more than that, you will have to send your money multiple times. Now, if you don't have a card already been added on FTX, just click on Add Card here and then fill in all the information of the card and click on Submit Card. Then enter the amount that you want to deposit. So for example, I want to deposit $100 to my FTX account. Then I just type in 100. And then I can see the deposit fee for $100 will be $3.30 here. So keep in mind that this is only the estimated fee. Extra fees can be charged by your bank. However, this is not the case for most banks. After you are done, just click on Submit and your money will be transferred from your card to your FTX wallet. You can go to Deposit here to check the status or the other information records of your deposit. Now moving on to wire banking. Again, click on Deposit and then choose Deposit via wire. So here just type the amount that you want to deposit and then click on Submit. Then you can see here are all the banking information that you have to include in your bank transfer. Now this is important. You can see the account identifier code here. So you will have to include this code in the memo or the reference or the description field of your bank transfer. Otherwise, FTX won't be able to recognize your transaction and you can lose your money. And another thing that you have to remember is that the name on your bank account must be the same as the name on your FTX account. So make sure that you are using the appropriate bank account here. After you have double-checked all the information, just go ahead to your online banking system and send the money to FTX. After a few minutes, or depending on your bank, a few working days, the money will be arriving at your FTX wallet, and you can check the record by going to deposit here. So to cancel the deposit order, just click on the trash can icon here. If you want to learn more about crypto, don't hesitate to like and subscribe to CoinF Master. Turn on the notification bell to always see our newest video. Now, in order to deposit crypto, again go to Wallet, Portfolio, and then click on Crypto here. Then you will see a list of crypto that you can choose. For example, if you want to deposit Bitcoin, just click on Deposit here. And then you can see this is your FTX wallet address. Now what you have to do is to copy this address and paste it on the withdrawal platform where you want to send your Bitcoin from. So this can either be your crypto e-wallet or another exchange. And you can choose the address according to the deposit network that you want, which can be Bitcoin, Solana, or Binance Smart Chain. So after you have submitted the withdrawal request on your withdrawal platform, you can see your Bitcoins arriving in your FTX wallet. You can check the status and record by clicking Deposit here. Now in order to withdraw your assets, again go to Wallet and then Portfolio. So let's start with Fiat first. So again click on Fiat here, and then you can see the list of Fiat currency. Choose the currency that you want to withdraw and click on Withdraw. Now for US dollar, you can withdraw by using USD stablecoins like USDC, TUSD, and so on. Or you can use Tether or USDT here. But for now, I will show you how you can transfer your US dollars directly from FTX to your bank account. To do that, just click on Withdraw Fiat here. So you can see all the information that you have to enter here. First, fill in the amount of money that you want to withdraw. And then for the type, if you are not in US, then just click on International while here. After that, fill in all of your bank information and double check all the information that you have entered. Then read all the terms and conditions here and tick on this box to confirm that you have. And then click on Withdraw to submit your withdrawal request. Then your money will be transferred to your bank account within a few minutes or a few hours. However, depending on your bank, this can take a little bit longer, up to a few working days. So just be patient. Now to withdraw your coins, again go to Wallet, Portfolio, and then click on Crypto. And you can see a lot of coins that you can choose below. Then click on the Withdraw button in the row of your chosen coin that you want to withdraw. For Bitcoin, you can see all the withdrawal network that FTX supports here, including Bitcoin, Solana, and BSC. So from here, fill in the amount that you want to withdraw and the withdrawal address. Then you can choose the withdrawal method here at the bottom. So this is very important. You have to make sure that the address here must be the same as the address of your deposit platform, which can be your crypto e-wallet address or the address of your wallet on another exchange where you want to send your coins to. If you don't get the right address, you will lose your coins. So all you have to do is to make a deposit request on the other exchange and they will give you the right address. Just copy and paste the address here. And after you're done, double check all the information and click on Withdraw button here to submit. Then you can check the withdrawal record and status by clicking on Withdraw here. Easy, right? If you're looking for a complete walkthrough of any crypto exchange, check out the links below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master because it's free. And turn on the notification bell because we have so much more crypto information and tutorials that we cannot wait to share with you. Goodbye for now and see you in the next video.